So what is the question asking? It's asking how much money will each classmate receive after they share all of the pennies equally between all of the people. So what does 567 represent? It's the amount of pennies that Michael has. What is 464? It's the amount of pennies that George has. And what does 661 represent? It's the number of pennies that Jamie has. What is the 3? The 3 represents the 3 boys in our problem, Michael, George, and Jamie. And the 33 represents their classmates. So that's the other students who are in their class. So, how do you think we would start out solving this problem? They want to split all of the pennies between themselves and the 33 classmates. First step, we're going to add all of the pennies together to see how many pennies they're going to have to share. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put down the 2 and carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 more is 19. Carry the 1. 5 and 4 is 9, and 1 more makes 10. 10 and 6 is 16. They have 1,692 whats? Pennies. That's right. So that's the number of pennies that the 3 boys have combined. So the pennies are being shared equally. I know that the pennies are going to be my dividend. 1,692. And I'm going to divide that, by what? Who is sharing those pennies? The 3 boys and 33 of their classmates. So how many people is that? Yeah, that's 36 people. We're dividing by 36. So 36 won't go into 1. It won't go into 16. But how many times does 36 go into 169? I can come over to my sidewalk and I can skip count maybe by 40s. 40 times 2 is 80. 40 times 3 is 120. 40 times 4 is 160. I wonder. I think that's overestimating. I might stick with 3. Let's see what happens if we stick with 3 times. Ooh, that is not enough. So let's go to 4. Oh, Miss Mullinex, underestimated, not overestimated, because 36 is less than 40. Silly. Okay, so 36 will go into 169 4 times. 4 times 36 is 144. Miss Mullinex is just doing a little trick she learned a long time ago about multiplying. But really, girls and boys, you need to come over to the side and do that multiplication. 144. Subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. So that's 25. Bring down the 2. How many times does 36 go into 252? It has to be more than 4 times, because 36 times 4 is only 144. So let's keep skip counting and see how close we can get to 252. So 4 times 5 is 200, or 40 times 5 is 200. 40 times 6 is 240. 40 times 7 is 280. However, remember, we did underestimate because, guys, 36 is less than what we rounded to. So let's see if 36 goes into 252 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry the 4. And really, I'm just doing this same multiplication. I'm just doing it over here. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is, that's right, 25. So 252. Subtract, and I have nothing left over. So, what does 47 represent? 1,692 were pennies. Those were the total pennies that we had. They were shared between 36 people. So 47 would be the number of pennies that each person would get. It says to express your final answer in dollars. Well, what would 47 pennies equate to when we're talking about money? It wouldn't be $47. It would be 47 cents. So the way we write that, it's 47 hundredths of a dollar. So 47 cents is the amount of money that each person would get.